Yes, of course, people should reclaim back their power because it's one of the critical infrastructures and it should be run under general interest aspects and not under private aspects, which is making as much money as you can. We need this transformation also on the grid side just to have the energy transformation. Energy transformation is not only solar panels and windmills, it's also the distribution. Most of the renewable energy sources feed in the distribution network, and this must be suitable, it must be intelligent, it must be smart in order to handle a decentralized renewable future. And this could be done by the citizens or by public much more better than by private companies. Yes, of course, it's a key factor because everybody uses the grid, everybody feeds in the grid. Even if we want to have the decentralized renewable future, the distribution grid become a key infrastructure. We have to modify them to a renewable future, not to the old energy system which relies on fossil fuels, on coal power plants, on nuclear power plants. No, we want to have more solar, we want to have more wind energy in our system, and therefore we need also the grid. Well, in Germany we have a long tradition on energy fights. Dating back 50 years was the first anti-nuclear protest that transformed to a pro-renewable movement. And so people have the sense of fighting for renewable energies. And we address these different questions in Berlin, not only the energy transformation, also fighting against energy poverty or introduction energy democracy was quite crucial for our campaign. Therefore, we managed to have more than 1,000 volunteers helping us in the signature collection, and we mobilized 600,000 who voted in favor of our proposal at the referendum. Actually, we have managed, together with the new federal state government, a social democratic green and left government, to really establish an energy supplier, public energy supplier who is worth the name and who is investing in renewable energy, in energy efficiency. However, remunicipalizing the grid is still under process. We're still struggling with Vattenfall, the actual owner of the grid. We will have the decision within the next year, hopefully.